Wouldn't it be great if your lights could magically turn on automatically, then turn themselves off after you leave the space? Introducing Over Lite, the quick and easy way to instantly add lighting to any room. With the cordless Over Lite, you don't need costly installation or complicated wiring. There are no plugs and no switches. Simply peel and stick to any ceiling or wall and let the built-in motion detector do the rest. The secret is Over Lite's advanced light sensor, which will only activate when the motion sensor detects movement in the dark. They're battery-operated and energy-efficient, automatically powering down if no motion is detected after 20 seconds, saving you money. Over Lite is equipped with an onboard COB lighting system featuring 24 ultra-bright white LED bulbs emitting 300 mighty lumens. And the smart sensing technology detects motion from up to 10 feet, so it'll work on high ceilings as well. Now you can have bright light in places you never imagined, hands-free and without having to worry about complicated installation. Add light to your dark pantry when grabbing a quick snack, or illuminate that closet so you can see all the way to the back. Place some on stairs to safely light your way, or in the garage to instantly brighten your workspace. They're weather resistant so you can use them outdoors worry-free. Place one above a door to help guide you in the dark. The possibilities are endless. Now you can safely light your way and add instant illumination to any space, all while never having to turn switches on or off with Over Lite from JML. Take yours to the checkout now.